Hi, we're Molly and Emma.
Hi!
At Brooklyn Herborium, and we want to show you around the shop.
Welcome to Brooklyn Herborium, a special little shop nestled between a fire station and a church in the heart of Brooklyn. We carry all sorts of interesting home goods, crystals, food, and toys, and of course, our skincare product lines, herbal medicine, teas, and tinctures. We make everything in our workshop on site. So let's go take a look and see what's being made today. At any given time, you'll find herbal crafters who are making any number of herbal goods. Here we have our Ancient Secrets Body Scrub, which is absolutely wonderful. And in the back, we have sacred spaces where Emma can work her magic, we can teach classes, and take care of our clients. Come and experience the magic of Brooklyn Herborium. Thank you.